I've got the Ozito Sander polisher. Here I've been using this for a few months now, and I can say I've been pretty happy with it. But before that, it has some pros and cons, to be honest, but I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So as you can see, it has a cardboard cover, and underneath is a plastic cover. It's a nice plastic cover, as you can see. So inside is a pad, polishing pad, then a sponge pad, as well as a grip, which you can put the sandpapers on, as well as the polishing pad. And then you've got 6 sandpapers, different types and different roughness. So user manual, that it actually says that it covers from 1000 RPM to 3500 RPMs. It has the 180 mil rough pad, and also it's a 1100 watt motor. So also we got a grip handle. It's a D-shaped grip handle, as you can see, and then the 2 bolts for the grip handle, as well as the Allen key. Then the motor itself has a variable knob here. The speed you can adjust, definitely has a lock button. It has a safety switch. Well, that's it, and I'm going to show you next how it works. So after using this for a few months, guys, I can say this is a good tool to have. It definitely works perfectly, no problem. Has 3 years of replacement warranty. The price is 100 bucks. It is a kit. It's not just a sander or a polisher. It's just a kit. You've got the pad, you've got the sponge, you've got the sandpaper. So all in all, I can say this is a good device to have. The only problem I found with this Ozito Sander polisher is the speed is kind of not constant. I mean, it fluctuates from one speed to another time to time, and I have found the knob hard to adjust. It jumps between the speeds sometimes, so it's a bit hard to adjust, but once you adjust it, it goes very well. And for the price, I think it's really worth it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. See ya.